Want to make Windows Clock work the way you prefer? From adjusting time and date settings to managing time zones, notifications, and other clock features, Windows gives you several options for customizing your experience. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize Windows Clock settings in 2026. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. From here, you can access features such as alarms, timer, stopwatch, and focus sessions. Look for the Settings option inside the Clock app. Depending on your version, you may see settings for notifications, sounds, appearance, or other app preferences. Review each available option and adjust it according to your workflow. If you use alarms regularly, customize their behavior to suit you. You can choose alarm sounds, repeat schedules, and snooze durations when creating or editing an alarm. Setting these options once can make your recurring alarms much easier to manage. For timers and the stopwatch, choose the options that best match how you work. Create named timers for repeated activities, and use the stopwatch when you need to measure elapsed time or track intervals. For system-wide time settings, open Settings, select Time and Language, and then choose Date and Time. Here you can manage automatic time synchronization, time zone settings, and other Windows Clock preferences. Finally, review notification and focus session settings. Make sure Windows can notify you when alarms and timers finish, and customize focus sessions with suitable durations and breaks. These small adjustments can make Clock much more useful for productivity, and that's how to customize Windows Clock settings in 2026. By adjusting alarms, timers, system time settings, notifications, and focus sessions, you can create a clock setup that fits your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.